Down in the hollow, there's still a few acres of corn to be harvested, and Ernest Nations is on his way to do it. The cool weather has left the husk dry, and the corn should be good for animal feed this winter. This field has to be picked and the corn stored in the crib before he has a chance to do something he's been doing for years: stalking the wily and elusive sourwood. Sourwood is a type of tree and really isn't rare in the South, but he's looking for a tree that's just a certain size and is growing in a special way. When he finds one, he's going to make a walking cane out of it, the darndest cane you've ever seen. Finding it turned out to be a bit of a quest. Mr. Nations is over 70 years old, but out in the woods, running up and down the hills, he could just as well be 35.
You know, this cane making could get to be a bit of exercise.
Well, I thought I could find one in a few minutes, but you know, you don't find things just like going to the store and buying stuff. Here's the type of tree I'm looking for.
Now, the reason we've been looking for sourwood: just below the ground, the root takes a decided turn from the trunk, practically a right angle. That makes up the handle of the cane. First, you've got to dig it up, or pull it up, or a combination of the two. Sourwood is soft when it's green, but later, after it's seasoned, it won't crack or split. Success!
How'd you get started doing this in the first place?
Well, there's an old gentleman done a lot of walking stick making, and I got started whittling. There's a lot you throw away that you don't need. There's a handle on nearly every one of them. I have to take all that off there.
When you get back to the house, do you just sort of prop it against the wall and stare at it till you figure out what's inside?
No, I generally, when I start, just keep whittling. If I don't make one thing, I turn it into another, and if it don't suit me after so long a time, I throw it away.
Ernest Nations' imagination isn't just confined to canes. A root, a briar, a branch will catch his eye, and later he'll whimsically transform it into birds, Indians, snakes, scenes, and even strange little faces with wild eyes and big noses he models after some local politicians. Where else could you see a cane like this one?
Well, I've seen so much thrown away that other people thought it was trash. That's right, I've seen so much good stuff thrown away. You can take a lot of grubs and make pretty things out of them if you know how.
Here at Mr. Nations, there's also an assortment of dogs, including one you most likely have never seen. There you go, fella. That is an Ivy Knot Poodle. That's out of Clarkesville, Georgia. I'm Andy Johnston.